Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your password cannot include your name, phone number, or part of your email address. If you are trying to create a new password for your Apple ID and you are having the issue that your password may not include your phone number, your name, or any part of your email address, let's see how can you fix the issue. So you have to keep in mind some rules to create a new password in Apple account. So there are some rules to create a strong password for your Apple ID. So the first is that you have to set or create a password which must be at least 8 characters long. So there's a minimum length which is at least 8 characters. You can add more characters, but there's a minimum required is 8 characters, and after that there's the character variety. It must include a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and at least one number. You have to use uppercase, lowercase, and at least one number in your password, and after that you have to avoid predictable patterns. Do not use easily guessable information such as some dictionary words or names of any people, your own name or your child name, or anything else, or characters, or products, or organizations. So you have to avoid to use these names, or you have to also avoid to use sequences or any repetitive characters. And after that, there's a uniqueness in your password. You must have to include uniqueness. The password should be significantly different from any previously passwords you have used for your Apple ID. And after that, this recommendation that you do not have to share your Apple ID password with anyone else. So here I'm going to create a strong Apple ID password. So the very first I recommend you have to add an uppercase letter here. In my case, I'm going to add A, and after that, you have to try to add any number. So you can add random numbers without any sequence, and after doing that, you just have to add any symbol from here. And once you have added any symbol, you have to write anything. For example, I'm going to add something else like that. And once you have added, you have to add any else symbol here. So you can see there's letters which are almost 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. We have just created a 9 characters long password, so it must be a strongest password for any Apple ID. So in this way you can easily fix your issue, or you can easily create a strongest password for your Apple ID. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.